Hello, this is Glass Shop Management Software. This is the login screen where you have to put username, password, company name and session like showing in the screen right now. Now you're watching a dashboard screen. Two columns are present in which best sell product will show you data of highest best sell product to list starting in up to bottom manner. And same scenario goes for best customer column. In down part of right hand side, you will get information regarding profit, sales, cash and bank sales amount respectively. In setup master tab, when you will click on company profile, you will get this screen which holds details of your company. Here you can create multiple companies by filling all important informations. To edit any information, just double click on row header like this. And now you can edit the info simply. In account masters, you can create different accounts according to company. In product masters, you can create different types of product by filling its basic details, as well as you can edit in same manner. In work master, you can add different types of work like polishing, holes, acid work, etc. In product group masters, you can create product group with calculation type. Here, piece stands for quantity-wise calculation, whereas area stands for area calculations of height and width, and area plus scheme stands for mostly glass schemes. In terms master, you can create terms for the following entries. In user master, new users can be added by administrator, and permission will be granted accordingly. Now let's move to next tab, transaction details. And inside this tab, that is purchase entry, here all purchase entry will be managed. So here inventory and accounts will be managed. In debit note, it will generally generates, edit and delete debit note for an account. In quotation entry, bill number is editable. You can create new customers from here also. You can search and select customers like this. According to company and customers, GST type will be auto-selected. You can make new product by clicking this product name. Rate section will be auto-filled with the same amount which you have given to a customer previously. You can select glass calculation scheme as well as running fit calculations if your product is area plus scheme type. You can even select size type by selecting inch or mm type from here. Entering height, width and quantity, your chargeable height width and running fit as well as area will be auto-calculated. Here you can also add discount and edit the GST percentage also. You can tick this section if you get any firma. Simply add description of room in this section. With the help of these two checkbox, you can update rate of same product and likewise you can change scheme from here. By pressing F1, you can simply add or update from here. By clicking this section, you can browse and add image of product or design to be made. If this two checkbox is ticked, then it will automatically ask you to browse image, and after that, a pop-up box will appear to add work on glass product. After selection in this pop-up window, you can select finishing type, where running fit and square fit both calculations are available. In running fit, we can manually select side, whereas in square fit, it is auto-select for all side. Here you can add labor charge. Here you can select labors. By selecting this work add option, you can add work also. In this design tab, you can calculate with square fit and add description if you want. In work tab, on the basis of quantity, rate and GST, your amount will be calculated. By clicking on product table row, its works of work table will be auto-selected. And here you can add basic details. You can also send PDFs through WhatsApp. From view page, we can search or edit or delete any entry. Rest all these steps works in same flow. You can convert quotation to estimate and from estimate to delivery challan, cash invoice or tax invoice. You can convert everything like this. You can create credit note here, you can edit it or you can delete it also. From here, you can enter payments and receipts. From summary report, you can view all reports including finishing summary. Here, cash and tax invoice details you will get, where you can see cost of labor also. In ledger summary, you can see ledger accounts and you can WhatsApp it. And from here, you can also view deleted records entry. So this is all about Glass Shop management software. Thank you.